Thank you for the love. Thank you, Mother.
Sino sa'yo yung napil?
This is for Sharmila.
Sino sa'yo yung napil?
This is for Girly. This is for Sharmila. How many pieces?
Ali, tomorrow, hello.
This is for Russell. How many pieces for you? For Sharmila, for Girly, for Russell, for Sharmila. Quickly!
Bena, kali. How can I put it? Kali.
But then, for Girly, for Russell, for Sharmila. Oh, all
Hey, Mara, kali.
the sisma for you. Because I'm big. I give big for Russell. One.
Ba't natin kirkir? Hala. Too much big? Ba't natin? Tomorrow, hello.
And Philippines have plantation here. This one is strawberry. We go in the farm. I bring her the salt. I eat with salt. Very big.
Sweet?
If had a fully red,
Okay, and sweet.
had a sweet. If half red, half white, the sour, sim mango. That's why I bring her the salt. Jopi another plantation, another farm, another supper. Nasa bit. I like the half. I tell Mary had bring her the maybe king 1 kilo sisma, manga,
Manga?
too much sweet. Had manga in Philippines. The survey in Guinness Book of Record that the sweetest mango of the world is from Philippines. That's why too much of the foreigner blogger row in Camiguin Island and far away from my place. But in my place, all fruits are very sweet. Unlike had yesterday, last 2 days ago, had fruit from Thailand, all not good, all not sweet. Philippines had a dragon fruit in Philippines, very sweet. I don't know the Thailand, maybe kind of sisma, had a land or soil.
Sweet.
That's why in Philippines, I eat hada without knife.
But
Why did you do? Because I have friend hada baba have farm too much hadi sisma, hadi dragon fruit. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Inshallah.